Ladies and gentlemen, this is TVP World. You're watching another edition of Military Mind, bringing you news from the front lines. I'm your host, Benjamin Lee. The Ukrainian Air Force has said that it shot down all 42 Russian drones and one of 4 missiles in an overnight attack. The Russian strike killed 5 civilians and injured at least 31 in several Ukrainian regions. On the night of September 18th, the Security Service of Ukraine, aided by the Director General of Intelligence, destroyed a large ammunition depot of the main missile and artillery directorate of the Russian Defense Ministry in the Tver region. The explosions were so powerful that seismologists recorded an earthquake at a magnitude of 2.8, and Russian air defense systems were unable to repel the attack. The warehouse stored approximately 30,000 tons of various types of weapons. More than 100 domestically produced exploding drones were deployed in the attack, according to a Ukrainian intelligence official. The destruction of warehouse is a painful blow to the Russian logistic and weapons arsenal. Meanwhile, in the Kursk region, Russia says it has taken back 2 more villages from Ukrainian forces who seized control of the western part of the region. According to U.S. sources, Russian forces recently advanced eastward along 2 forested areas southeast of Koreanovo. On the front line, Russian forces recently made marginal gains in forested areas within Toretsk. Also in the Donetsk region, Russian soldiers occupied the city of Ukrainsk. Russian troops raised their flag on a mine ventilation shaft in the outskirts of the city. Now moving on to the Middle East, Israel's military cabinet has given carte blanche to Prime Minister Netanyahu for a full-scale offensive operation against Hezbollah and its allies in Lebanon. Israel's general staff has approved a plan for an offensive on Lebanon. Now, the best way to win a war is to deprive your opponent of the ability to attack and defend himself effectively. The modern battlefield is mainly about logistics more so than weapons and ammunition. Yesterday, an ammunition warehouse in Toropets in the Tver region of Russia became one of the biggest fireworks sites since the beginning of the war. The explosions were caused by a Ukrainian drone attack and were so powerful that the earthquake monitoring station registered what they thought was a minor earthquake in the area. What a blast.
Видели эту волну? Просто жесть. А как светло было, вообще круто. Так, ну я думаю, что пора парням, наверное.
Ой, дом наш стоит. Все, Олег, нормально, дом стоит. Вон, я вижу его. Вот, видишь?
А, кто? Он жив еще?
Да, да. Пока, да. Это вот, что там, вот, что вот это вот?
Финал.
Ukrainians are well aware of the importance of destroying munitions. Their operations are not limited to big ones like we just saw from Toropets, but also grassroots work. And in the next video, we'll see how the detachment Wings of Omega destroyed an enemy vehicle transporting ammunition. And now we take you to the battlefield for some exclusive footage of how the Ukrainians are dealing with the Russian invaders. Let's watch a video straight from the Ukrainian Presidential Brigade showing the use of drones to hunt down Russian soldiers. The invaders can run, but they can't hide. Now, this wouldn't be happening if Putin's imperialist ambitions didn't blind the Russian nation. There's no better way to use Western-made weapons than to stop Putin's imperialist ambitions. The video we are about to watch shows how Ukrainians are putting Abram tanks, among others, to good use in the Kursk region. Let's watch footage of the Ukrainian 225th Separate Brigade breaking through in the direction of Hlushkovo in the Kursk region.
225-й ОШБ, пацаны! Окремо-штурмовий батальйон! Пошла, пошла жара!
Давай, давай, пацаны, давай. Вторая пошла.
В землю трусим, сука, мощам! Пизда пидораса!
And with that footage, we conclude this edition of Military Mind. But for more news, update, and commentary, please stay tuned to TVP World.